Kerry, I give you this ring as a seal of the lifelong commitment I have made to you.
All that I am, I give to you, and all that I have, I share with you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together once more for the new Mr. and Mrs. Gibson.
I stand in front of you all today, proud as punch, my heart filled with joy, the father of this beautiful bride, and ask you to be upstanding and raise a glass to the happy couple. Ladies and gentlemen, Kerry and Liam.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of my wife and I, we'd like to thank you all for coming today. You'll be pleased to know that I'll be keeping this like Kerry, short and bluntly to the point. So if you'd all join me in the upstanding, raise your glasses. To the bridesmaids. Thank you as well to the ushers for their help today. even though I had to get most of the invest, because apparently none can get a kilt on. Thank you to Stephen, my best man. I actually first met Stephen 23 years ago when he started primary school. And back in the days, he was just an ugly wee kid with an eye patch. At least he got rid of the eye patch, pal. Kerry, you're my best friend, my biggest supporter. My life wouldn't be half as interesting and exciting without you in it. I love you, even more than the dog. She wouldn't say the same to me, like, but...
The bridesmaids have asked me to propose a toast to being honest and not rude. Before I sit down, I would like to wish you both, and of course not forgetting Bear and Ziggy, a lifetime of happiness and laughter. So may I ask you all to stand and please raise your glasses to the new Mr. and Mrs. Gibson. Mr. and Mrs. Gibson.
A big round of applause for the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Gibson.
Cradle me, I'll cradle you. I'll win your heart with a whoop-a-whoop. Pulling shapes just for your eyes. So with toothpaste, kisses and lines, I'll be yours and you'll be. Lay with me, I'll lay with you. We'll do the things that lovers do. Put the stars in our eyes, and with heart-shaped bruises and late night kisses divine. Stay with me, stay with you, doing things the lovers do. What else to do?